Welcome to Smart Saplings. Come join us for today's fun fact. In today's battle, it's the mighty T-Rex against the fearless Spinosaurus. Who will win? T-Rex charges first with a thunderous bite, but Spinosaurus slashes back with its giant claws. T-Rex swings its mighty tail with bone-crushing force. Spinosaurus snaps with jaws as strong as crocodiles. T-Rex pushes forward, showing off its raw power. Spinosaurus drags the fight into the splashing water, but T-Rex bursts out of the water with a furious bite. Spinosaurus digs its sharp claws into T-Rex's shoulder. T-Rex slams back with a crushing tail strike. Spinosaurus charges in and rams with brute strength. The two giants lock jaws in a terrifying struggle. T-Rex knocks Spinosaurus crashing to the ground, but Spinosaurus leaps from the water with a surprise attack. It grabs T-Rex and rolls like a crocodile hunter. T-Rex stomps down with earth-shaking power. Both dinosaurs push with all their might. Neither gives up. T-Rex bites hard, and Spinosaurus starts to stumble. With one last strike, T-Rex wins the epic battle! What an amazing fight! Who should battle next? See you soon!
Thanks for watching, friends! What should we learn next? Tell us! And don't forget to hit subscribe!